What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I will be covering how to direct message somebody on TikTok, and also everything that you should know while doing it about direct messages on TikTok. It's a little bit different from other platforms such as Instagram or Twitter, but what's not different when it comes to TikTok and social media? It's a little bit different that they do their system, but it is nice and sleek once you get used to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and launch my app right here, and I will be showing you exactly what's going on here and how you could direct message people, as well as why your direct message system might not be working. So I just got my app launched here, and I am on my For You page on the home screen. But what you're going to want to do, looking at that toolbar at the bottom, the second icon to the left is that little message bubble. You can see the one highlighted there because I do have some notifications there. This is what is called your inbox, and this is also how you direct message people. Unfortunately, the direct messages are kind of smashed in with all your other notifications, what kind of makes it confusing. But if you want to direct message someone, just hit that little button in the upper right hand corner with the little pencil and the square around it. Similar icon to direct messaging, you should get it. And then once you're at this screen here, it has the new chat feature, and you could search for whatever user you are looking, or it might already be at the bottom there where you could see it. And there is also, I do want to highlight that at the top of the screen there, there's a little message that says messages cannot be sent since this user is not following you. And that is one specific thing to TikTok, is it doesn't allow you to DM people if you are not both following each other. It's a little weird considering all other platforms allow you to just freely DM, but it is what it is. I still sent a message anyway, and it's going to come up with the error from there. But let's say this person was following me, the direct message would directly go through, and they could see it and reply back, and you could just have a chat like you normally would on any other social media platform. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on direct messaging on TikTok, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that though, if you found this tutorial helpful today, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.